everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I'm Namratta and I'm taking interviews of the CEOs and founders of several innovative startups in India. In today's interview, I'll be talking to Priya Anand, the founder of Stree Sanman. After completing her MBA in finance, she discovered her passion for social entrepreneurship. Thus, she started Stree Sanman, which literally means the dignity of women. Stree Sanman aims to solve and eradicate period poverty with advanced and innovative technological solutions. You want to know more about this business? Let's get into the video. Hello, ma'am. Thank you for joining today. I'm Namratta and I'll be taking your interview. But before the interview begins, would you like to introduce yourself to the audience?
Yes, sure. Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Startup Lane for having me here. It is my great pleasure to introduce myself on the platform. After completing my MBA in finance, I briefly worked with financial companies, but I soon started realizing my passion towards social entrepreneurship. And thus, I started Stree Sanman, which means women dignity. At Stree Sanman, we are passionate towards solving period poverty with help of technological advance and innovative solutions.
All right. So, how did you come up with the idea of the startup?
Actually, different different small events took place, which leads me towards the starting this company. In 2018, I first came across the term period poverty. Period poverty means the struggle many low-income women and girls face while trying to afford menstrual product. It also refers as to the increased economic vulnerability women and girls face due to the financial burden posed by menstrual supplies. And stats around UK and Europe as how being developed country they are struggling to solve period poverty. So started researching more about this, and actually the main turning point was when I was traveling with my husband in rural area. When I realized the scarcity of a sanitary napkin, this leads to unhygienic menstruation practices. An estimated 70% of all reproductive diseases are caused by poor menstrual hygiene. So we started with the distributing sanitary napkins and conducting online seminars, but we needed a solution which could spread faster. In this process, we decided to manufacture and promote Stree Sanman sanitary napkin vending machines and smokeless eco-friendly incinerators.
Great. So, were there any difficulties during the startup?
The difficult part was convincing the customer the importance of a product. The product in large communities still considered as a taboo to discuss about. Thus, the biggest challenge was convert these wants into needs.
All right. So, when you were starting out with the startup, was there an existing market gap which needed to be filled with your product?
Yes, there are four basic hurdles for which I was looking for a solution. First is misinformation or no information about sanitary napkins. In India, it has been estimated that as many as 1 in 5 girls drop out of school after they get their periods. Okay, and the second one is in India, only 14% of the penetration of sanitary napkin is one of the reason is asking this product to male shopkeeper or in front of male customers. So the third one is might be scarcity of sanitary napkins. Distributing free sanitary napkins is one of the solution, but looking at area and population of India is not possible at all. So the fourth one is disposal of used sanitary napkins. Many of the women in rural India use sand, ash, dirty clothes to stop the flow during menstruation. Those women who use sanitary napkins in rural area wait for the night to dispose of used sanitary napkins. So over 355 million menstruating women and girls in India, still these burning challenges are ignored by many. So these led to start Stree Sanman.
So, if you had to explain your business model to the audience for them to understand a bit, how would you do that?
Actually, our business model is quite simple. We sell and also rent on machines to corporate offices, school, hospitals, events, and public places. We have our machines installed in number of schools in all over India. and few countries of Africa and Europe. Many of the major corporate in India has installer machines in all the corporate offices spread across India. We mainly help and guide companies to positively utilize portion of their CSR budget towards the cause of period poverty. Under our current campaign for 73rd Independence Day, we are providing special discounts on product and also free product stack for installation on their first installation.
All right. So, mainly, what are the products you are offering to the companies or say anybody?
Actually, these are the products. Okay, so we always get social needs and innovations at the core of our product development. Each of our product is developed with the purpose and mission to empower women. Stree Sanman Sanitary Napkin Vending Machine is the best product to improve availability and accessibility of sanitary napkins. Even another product is Stree Sanman Smokeless Incinerator. Is one of the best eco-friendly solution in market to dispose used sanitary napkins or other small dry medical waste. So we have different types of vending machines and incinerator which can be explored at www.csanman.com. And other than this, we arrange seminars and workshops online to promote best menstruation hygiene practices. We also provide corporate end-to-end CSR campaign in the area of women empowerment and the fight against period poverty.
All right. So, who are your target audience? Is it just the
So
businesses, or are you directly dealing with the customers as well?
actually, our target customers are all the girls and women in India and all over the world. The products are best suited at school, colleges, and girls' hostels, so they can freely go and comfortably access the menstruation product. So we also work with corporate and government offices to make the premises period friendly, to boost the confidence of women, employees, and visitors. So we are also working with few forward-thinking housing society and builders who have added sanitary napkin vending machines and incinerator in their core amenities list to help residents. So we are not focusing on the particular type of customer, but our aim to reach to make maximum girls possible.
All right. So, in your attempt to spread awareness and confidence among women, I would like to know from you that why should women choose your product and not somebody else's?
Actually, customer choose us for product quality and services. Our entire system is automated by our own CRM system. So we assume 1 year replaceable warranty on any manufacturing defect. This gives a sense of confidence in customer mind and they choose us. So we have dedicated team members who are always available to help customers through video calls. We have over 70% reorders rate and that speaks our customer satisfaction.
Great. Also, this domain is quite new, yet there must be some players already. So, how do you think your company stands out from them?
Actually, our products are the first of all our products. Our product speaks for itself. The design and quality of a product is not just to solve purpose, but improve the looks where they install. All products are technologically advanced, and with other continuous research approach, we keep upgrading them. So, as a competitor, I think we have a good upgrading technology. So the product design for rural area versus urban area are different. Our ergonomic design makes it a very user-friendly product. And even after CRM and our logistics system, the CRM system connects our end-to-end process from expecting PO to manufacturing to delivery the machines. The whole process is transparent to customer to set up clear expectation about delivery. In current COVID situation, everything is unpredictable, and this CRM help us to keep customer informed on every step. So we have over 15 logistic partners who help us to deliver product all over the world. In India, so far, our average delivery time is less than 5 days. And the third one is, I think, our customer-centric approach. Our customers approach which help user get confidence in delivering confidence.
All right. So now talking about another aspect of the business, that if somebody is willing to work with you, be your
Mhm.
employee, what are the kind of works he or she is going to do? And second, what are the work culture, environment, and relationships and skills that person is going to earn?
Actually, Stree Sanman is a private limited company, social entrepreneurship. So we hire people who wants to bring change in the society. This is our main motto. And the job applicant comes to us with a belief that they will be giving back to the society. Okay. From this platform, I would like to urge the viewer, if they want to get associated with us, then please do write us from contact us section of www.csanman.com.
All right. All right. Also, if you were not working with this startup, what do you see yourself doing?
I think I might have continued my finance job for a couple of more years, then move towards joining an NGO to help deprived people, because giving back to the society was always my priority, and would have found a way to do that.
All right. Also, one thing I would like to know from you is that you are giving out a certain product or service to people. But what are the services and products you require to run your business efficiently?
Actually, there is, as the business is growing, we are seeing new challenges in different areas like supply chain, marketing, and HR. We like to explore new products, features as a service and services. So we would like to get in touch with a vendor who have products and services in line with our business.
All right. So, talking about vendors, what are the parameters you judge them upon before taking them on board?
Because we need like our product, we want something good technology with same like our product, with in line with our business model. So we will
All
see
right.
that parameters.
Also, have you planned any short-term or long-term goal for the company as of yet?
Yes, our long-term plan is have a sanitary napkin vending machines and incinerators installed in all schools, college, corporate offices, and public places. We are coming up with the AI-based mobile app to track the period cycle, and also coming up with the dedicated shops for our products.
All right. Also, you'd agree to this fact that when a startup wants to grow and expand, like the level you are talking about, it requires a steady source of funds. So, have you
Yes.
taken funds previously, or are you willing to in the near future? How is it going?
Actually, we are willing to raise funds for brick and click model, which will help setting up at least 10 stores in tier 1 cities in next 1 year.
Okay. Well, all the best to that. But before we end this session, I would like to like to know your thoughts about startup lanes.
Actually, Startup Lane is a very good platform. Your encouragement is commendable, and your platform is great way to get connected to like-minded people. So, thus, I wish a great success to Startup Lane.
Well, thank you for your kind words, Priya. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you for taking out your time and speaking about your giving back to the society idea on our platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.